welcome to our Foro Mathematical project. This is a project that we made, me, Juan Felipe Duque, and Simon Vasquez and Sofia Granados, about math. So we took some photos and taking the mathematical content about it. So we have three graphs: a circle, an absolute value graph, and a linear function. So we tried, for example, we had a tree, and we made a line. So and we find out the equation. So that's basically what we did for this project. I will explain the circle. The circle that we have is not a function, because if you do the vertical line test, you will find out that each x point have two reflections on y. Because if you see, for example, a circle have in this part and in this part, so it's not a function. Also, it doesn't have domain and range because there is not a function. The radius of our circle is 1.8. The equation of a circle is x at the second power and y plus y at the second power equals the radius to the second power. The 1.8 is already r, the radius at the second power. So that's basically why we have it, and that's it.
So I'll describe the graph, which is the absolute value. So its function is the absolute value, its domain, it's -4, it's less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 4. The range is from 0, it's equal or it's less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 5. And our equation is x, y is equal to absolute value of x. And this photo was took in B1, B5, F1, C1, and the ceiling, and it's where you can move the wall for the ELA to be a classroom where people make presentations, etc., etc. So we took that 90-degree angle and we use it as an absolute value.
So, first of all, for analyzing this function, we need to verify that it is a function. This we can do it by taking a vertical line test, which means that if we draw a line along the graph vertically, we will only intercept one time with the vertex x. So now that we know that it is a function, we can now proceed to take the domain and the range of the function. In this case, it will be -infinity to infinity as well, both of them. So how can we verify this? We can see the ends of the line, which has some arrows. These arrows means that they take all the values from the y-axis and the j-axis from there forward. And now, for analyzing the graph, we need to know which type of a function is. In this case, it's a linear function. We can know that because it satisfies the equation mx plus b equals y. In this case, m will be 0 as well as b, which means the equation is x equals y. And this function is first it was a picture taken in between block 4 and block 5. This is a tree turned to its side and being represented as a linear function.